Hi everyone. In today's fast-paced world, no one has time to wait for your website to load before shopping. If your store takes too long to time, customers might leave without making a purchase. That's why optimizing your online store speed is essential. In this video, I will provide you with some tips to boost your store speed, ensuring customers can shop smoothly. First is limit the number of apps running on your store. To check or remove the third-party apps, go to the online Shopify store admin, then click on the Settings tab here on the left bar. Then you need to click on Apps and Sales Channels here. Here you will find all the installed apps. Review the apps you are not using or no longer in need, and then to uninstall an app, click on the three dots next to the respective app and select to the uninstall option here. Next is edit and customize your theme code. You can remove unnecessary code, defer script, and organize your theme files to improve performance. For this, go to the online store section here and click on online store. Now click on the three dots of your active theme and then click on edit code option here. Now you can edit the relevant files which you need to alter or customize. However, this step requires coding expertise. If you need our assistance, feel free to reach out us at contact@appwork.com. You can also consider to use Shopify 2.0 themes. Shopify 2.0 themes are optimized for speed and conversions. To download a Shopify 2.0 themes, again go to the online store section in your Shopify admin. Then click on or scroll down below. Here you will find all the Shopify 2.0 themes. You can select one and click on Add button here. If you are using a paid theme, we can help you by customizing settings to improve your store's performance and increase sales. Contact@appwork.com for our assistance. Next is Speed Optimization app. Speed Optimization app can significantly boost your store speed. To install one, visit the Shopify App Store, then search for Speed Optimization app in the search bar here. Here you can find the list of apps which will help to boost the sale of the speed of our Shopify store. You can select one and install it to the store. Thank you for watching it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more content like this. See you in the next video.